1,484 posts per hour. With nowhere else to go, working with people are forcibly. But how did we get here? Was it a sporadic and random event, or was it a sinister means to a bad?
All other online parts. Regarding the circumstance, we believe all nations represented in this room have their issues when it comes to establishing online safety regulations.
It's also more motivating the bad actors to conduct more wrong behaviors. To sustain that from the government, they also have to make the citizens confident.
Offline must also be protected online, emphasizing the indivisible nature of human rights in the physical and the political. Online harms encompass any form of behavior or content encountered on the internet that can cause harm to an individual's reputation, emotional well-being, or physical safety.
Policies, politics, even in the corporate body. So, these evaluations underscore the principle that the law has to change and adapt it.
But to get a little deeper, why exactly are you here today? Each and every one of us has unique backgrounds, experiences, ideas that makes us all passionate about making the online space safe for everyone.
The pornography leading the list, followed by gambling, fraud, defamations concerning content, misinformation, or hoax, and several other things.
Central regulatory collaboration. What would be the distinction between the roles of the state digital service providers and end-user individuals?
Okay, so the state of government
provides a total control of the government and social media providers to slow the good integration. Moreover, for us, the state and digital service providers set the rule
much better. So, in your opinion, as a youth, as a Philippine youth, how should the government make tangible implementation from the state regulation? I think
online and how that might be affected by the digital ID proposal.
Okay, thank you.
Secretariats and distinguished delegates. My name is Haris Daniel, delegation from Malaysia. First of all, sorry for my voice because maybe yesterday I'm too excited meeting all of you until I don't have a good voice.
Of engagement in the digital development should be shared between states, not only states in Thailand.
ASEAN is a human right. I now turn to the question of whether children should enjoy their rights to the same depth as adults. Australia's position is one of child safety. Indeed, the eSafety Commissioner
for sure is when the government has acknowledged the internet as a space to improve a citizen's quality of life, then a safety measure must be ensured. The UN General
for everybody. The question is that should safe access to the internet be a human right? And my answer to this question is a firm yes. The internet is now a platform for education, a place for freedom of expression and a space of opportunities.
Association, peaceful assembly, and right to privacy in digital spaces. Acknowledging children's vulnerabilities and need for protection to thrive, we further guarantee them special privileges by forming.
She posted an Instagram poll titled, "Really Important, Help Me Choose, D/L." D reportedly meant die.
Our commitment to the rights of every child to access the internet safely. By implementing these proposed solutions, Thailand not only aims to protect its youth, but also to set a precedent for digital child rights worldwide. Thank you for the opportunity to share Thailand's mission. Together, let's forge a future where our child can explore, learn, and grow in the digital world without fear.